Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look right here using some products that I've gotten from my Boxy Charm box. So if you want to see how I created this look with those products, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's get this started. I have my serum on already, so I'm going to be starting with the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Now I have been using this. I got this in my Boxy Luxe in December, and so I actually ran out of my Aqua Moisture Balm Cream, which made me really sad. But this has actually been working out very nicely. If I had to choose between a full size of this and the Aqua Bomb, I would choose the Aqua Bomb by Belief. But this is nice. It works really well. It's very moisturizing. It sinks into your skin and works well under the makeup. So yeah, so I've been enjoying it. Okay, so since I didn't have any primer, foundation, and concealer from Boxy Charm, I went ahead and did that, and then I did one eye because we're going to be using the Ace Beauty palette, and it is so pretty. I think I got this in the December Boxy Charm, and I've used it before. I've actually used it a couple different times. One time I just used this color right here with two other palettes to make a really beautiful look, and then the other time I used this color, patchouli, clove, and I think it was myrtle, but today I used clove, primrose, and cinnamon. So let me just swatch some of these colors for you so you can see how pretty they are. They are super pigmented, very pigmented. Cinnamon is so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Those are such pretty like golds and browns. So let's get this makeup look started. This is the makeup look that I came up with there. And I also used a mascara that came in my Boxy Charm, so you'll see that. But let's get started. I kind of went backwards today, where I'm going to use my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm going to go into Primrose here in the corner. I really love this palette, and I'm just going to start with the lid. And like I said, I already have my primer on. So I'm just packing that on the lid, and it is such a beautiful color. And the staying power of these shadows are so good. Like I said, I've worn them before. Now I'm going to go in with my Sigma tapered blending brush, and we're going to jump into Clove. And it looks like a bright orange, which it really is, but once you blend it out, it looks super pretty. So we're going to start right here in the deepest part of the crease and get that in there, and then we're going to blend it out. Seems like we already are blending, but just keep blending. I'm going to take my MAC 224, and I'm just going to smooth out some of those edges right here. And then we'll move on to the last color. So the last color we're going to use is going to be the cinnamon right here, and I'm going to use my Morphe M433. And we're going to dip that in there, and we're going to also put that right here in the corner. So you see the transition color is blown out, but we're going to stick this darker color right here in the corner and on the corner of our movable lid. So just stick that in there, and then we're also going to put some of this on our lash line, our bottom lash line. So, and you don't need a ton of this. It's nicely pigmented, and you're not going to put it very far. So I'm just going to start with this one, and I'm going to run this underneath my lash line with whatever's left on the brush. We're going to clean a little bit up, but so I'm going to switch to the Sigma Eye Shading E55, and I'm going to dip back into Cinnamon, and now it's going to be kind of more precise. So it gets a little bit darker right up against the lash line. And I'm going to go back to my blending brush, blend some of that out there. So I did not get this in my Boxy charm, but I wanted to show you because I used it on this eye here, which is my Brow Gal. I know I gave one of these away in my recent giveaways, and Danielle was wondering how to use it. So this is how I use this side of the Brow Gal. And so I put some underneath my brow, and then I take my Sigma Precision Taper Brush, but you can take any, actually I wasn't using this one. I was using this one. It's my Real Techniques, and it's just a tiny little brush, and it works perfect for underneath the brow, and it blends that color right into your brow and gives it a highlight and gives your eyeshadow dimension. And then I bring it down here because it's almost like I'm cleaning that up. So that is how I use my Brow Gal, and I absolutely love it. And the other side is darker, so you could use it as a cream contour. So another thing that I got in Boxy Charm is this eyeliner. It's the Jante Blue. I hope I'm saying that correct. And it's really pretty. It is a glittering star eyeliner, and it's in black. I have worn this several times. It's very soft. And it does not stay on. So it does fade. It will smear. The packaging is very cheap, like the cap is very cheap. It doesn't stay on, and you can't even really put it on this side because it won't stay on. So like, I love the concept of a glitter eyeliner, especially in black, because it's so pretty, but it just becomes kind of a moot point if it doesn't stay on. But I'm putting it on today for you. All right. Just going to take that shader brush and blend it out a little bit. Okay. So now we are going to curl, even though I pre-curled them, I'm going to give them a little zhuzh, and we're going to use this mascara. So it's a double-ended mascara, and it is by Lorac, and it's I don't know, it says Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. So what is really cool about this? So the primer is blue, and you could actually just wear it like this. If you wanted to wear just blue, like a blue mascara, you can wear it like that. And it actually, this holds your lashes. So you'll see in a minute after I finish putting this on, you can see, hopefully you can see that it's blue, and it will definitely hold your lashes. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. So what they recommend is to put this on and then let it dry. So I just give it about a minute to dry, and then I go ahead and put on the other side. This is fine. It's I actually prefer my L'Oreal. I think it's the formulation of the actual black mascara. I like the brushes. They seem to comb out the lashes fine. But like I wouldn't say it would be my favorite or my go-to. So while that is drying, we're going to use the Cover FX, the glitter drops. So in these, it's in the color Nova. So I don't know if you guys remembered, I was super excited when I got this in Boxy Charm because it's a full-size product. It is 0.05 fluid ounces, and so we're going to use that as our highlight today. So first I'm going to try to blend this out with my finger. So I haven't gotten my Boxy Charm for January yet, and it is January 17th. So I tracked it, and it says that it will get to my home January 28th. I am not cool with that. So this may be my last Boxy Charm. So that is one side, and I feel like I put it all over my cheek, but it's super glowy. We're going to put some blush because I have a palette that I got in, look at that. Whoa. Let's see. Can you guys see that? That's super glittery. Yeah, I have a palette. Oh, I still have to finish my mascara. Don't let me forget. Yeah, Wander Beauty. I love their eye patches, and I've actually been wearing this blush palette like nonstop. So I really love it. You're going to see it in a minute. Let's finish the mascara. We're going to put the black side on. So, and you see the brush there. Here, let me show you the blue so you can see the blue as well. You see that? It's super blue. Like, if you can't see the blue on my eyelashes, it looks just like this blue right here. So, so yeah, let's get this on. Like I said, it's not bad. I love the brush. It's not super stiff. It has some give, and I can fan out my lashes really well. So, hey, don't you hate when your makeup's all done and you get mascara on your lid, and then you can't wait till it dries off and you want to just scrub it off? So, oh, I forgot the bottom lashes. I'll be right back. Okay, so now is the Wander Beauty palette, and it is the Dusk to Dawn, and it is a blush and cheek, or blush and highlight palette. So it's these colors here. They are super pretty. My favorite blush is Tuscan Sunrise. It's the really light one. I do like this one, but I prefer this one. It's so pretty, and the highlight is awesome. So I've been wearing this every day. So you know what, just for fun, let's put some this highlight over the one, because this is more gold, I feel like. So So we'll just have double highlight. What's wrong with that, right? I am going to be glowing to the heavens today. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then where's my blush brush? Hold, please. We forgot to highlight the Cupid's bow, so I'm just going to take my finger and put that right in there and get that Cupid's bow highlighted. And then we're going to go into Tuscan Sunrise, and this is just kind of an old Cala brush that I have, blush brush, and I'm going to get that blush. So pretty. See that? So pretty. In person it doesn't look like a lot, but on camera, I don't know why, it looks like a ton of blush. But yeah. Alrighty. Okay, so that's our Wander Beauty palette. It's beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to try other stuff from Wander Beauty. All right, and so we're not going to do anything else, I don't believe. I don't have a lip color. I gave away some of my stuff. So I don't have any lipsticks or lip glosses from Boxy Charm. The last one I got, I gave it away. So I'm gonna use, you guys haven't seen this, this is my Buxom lip gloss in Dolly. So I'm gonna use this. And we're not even gonna use a lip liner. We're going rogue today. Oops. Really rogue, apparently. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I like it. I like the products that I used. Some I probably wouldn't purchase myself, but I told you guys that. I told you what my thoughts were. But I thought it'd be fun, since I'm getting these goodies every month. It'd be fun to go through and use them and show you guys how they work. So anyways, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, you know what to do. If you haven't subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. And if you want to get alerted when I upload videos, hit the bell button and it'll tell you exactly when I upload videos. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!